Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. My name's Ian Tyson, passionate home cook, and today, with our Brenby Farms white potatoes, we're making dill pickle French fries. For today's recipe, here's what you'll need. Cut your potatoes into French fries with the skins on. Submerge your fries in a bowl of dill pickle brine. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours and up to 24. Remove your fries from the brine and spread out on a kitchen towel. Pat them dry. Add salt, pepper, and olive oil to your fries and toss. Preheat your air fryer to 390 degrees. Cook for about 20 minutes, tossing occasionally. Finely chop your dill pickles and fresh dill. Plate your fries and top with fresh dill, a drizzle of garlic aioli, and chopped pickles. Creamy, tangy, and delicious, this recipe will take your fries to a whole other level. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Stay tuned for more recipes with Brenby Farms. Until then, keep cooking.